Okay, we are going to learn how to create a thermometer. Okay, so this thermometer is just like a spin button, and we use it as a parametric, for our sales price here. So in this place we have total sales, and we are just trying to find out, the percentage sales with respect to the total value or the total prices of our commodity. All these are the commodity, the total purchases. So we are trying to find the percentage sales with respect to this. So if, for instance, that we have a total sales, let's say this is 1,500, so you discover that we have 35% of the sales. Okay, so we are trying to create something so interesting, which I think it is necessary when you are building a KPI, key performance indicator, with respect to a particular parameters. So what we are going to use to do this is this information we have here, percentage sales, and then the value. So I'm going to copy it and then go to this place to show you how to build that. So here I click. So in this place there's no value, so I'll put here 0.5 or 0.75. so it is on 5% because everything is still in percentage. So 0.75 is 75%. Now to build the thermometer or the spin button, so you highlight the two cells and then go to insert, then click on recommend chart, and then we select this and then insert it. So here we are going to delete this, so click on it and click on delete button. Likewise, this, once you click on it, you click delete. Okay, so the information there will be deleted. Now the next thing we do is I'm going to drag this to close this a little bit. So click on these particular values on the vertical axis, the values on the vertical axis, right click and then click on format. Okay, so in the maximum place you see we have the value there to be 0.8, so change it to be 1. So once you change it to be 1, you now see the total value ranges from 0 to 100. So now if we click on this, it starts from 0 to 100, but when you click on this, we have this which is 75%. So what we are going to do now is click on this particular vertical axis. You see the little scales that were highlighted, then hit on your delete button to delete everything. Okay, so everything is now plain. Now click on this particular chart and then right click and click on format. So here you see we have a gap width, so the gap width, change it to 0 by dragging it left, so it is now 0. Okay, so we'll now change this, fill it to be red. Okay, so fill it to be red color. So total here now you see here is white, but we are going to change the color by clicking on this. So go to solid and then fill it with black. So we have black and we have red. Okay, so outline, for border we select no border. Okay, so here we have an interesting thing. So we are coming close to what we need to create. Okay, so I believe you understand the various steps we took. So the next we do is click on insert and then go to shape and select oval. So we are going to draw oval shape. Okay, so move it to see that it corresponds. So here is my oval shape. Okay, so in this oval shape we have outline. So if you check here now, I will say fill shape with red, and then outline is still white, so here we click outline to also be red. So everything now corresponds. You see, so our shape is now beautiful. We are getting it better. So go back to insert and then shape. So you see text, we now select text, now drag it. Okay, so we have white here. Now this white here, go to on right click on this, or you can also do some changes here. So you can click here, no fill, okay, and then you can click on also outline to be no outline, and the value here you say equal to, click on this and then click enter. So you now see the value here correspond to the value here, but we need to change the text to be white. Okay, so we'll change the text to be white and then bold it. You can increase it to 12, okay, and then click enter. Once again, white and bold. Okay, so here you see we have 75%. So if I change here to be 65%, 655%, sorry, so this value is not up to that, so 65%, enter. So you now see 65% is here. So if I change here to 35%, so you see 35% is here, and if I change this to 48%, so this is 48%. So everything is working gradually. Now one more thing we have to do, you go to insert, and then under insert this, let me take it up a little bit and then shift it, move up a bit. Okay, so here now we go to insert shape and then right click on oval. So create a little circle here. Under fill, fill it with white, outline with white, okay, and then open. So this is now like a thermometer. It's button, so beautiful. And then the next we do is click on this chart area. So it has color at the background, but right click on it, go to chart area, format chart area, select no fill, so it is now blank, okay, and then no border to. So we now see this is now blank, and then the final step to do is now click on the chart area with this, hold your control button, then click on the oval shape, still hold on the control button, click on the text, click on the little oval shape you also draw, and then right click, go to group and then select group. So everything is now grouped together as one shape, you see. So our thermometer is working fine. So if we change here now to 72 and then click enter, this is 72, so everything is working fine. So the task you're going to do is this. So this is your task. So here, create an interactive chart with a spin button using the data below. So this is a data of the subject of students and their various scores. Here is the total score, and here is a target score. So in this place, the students achieve this score. That's the sum of all these is the achieved score. So I've already worked on the percentage. So what you're going to do is try to create a spin button for this particular information that is being given to you here. Okay, so thank you for your time.